Drivers, listen up. Starting today, Austin ISD police are going to start ticketing, not warning you if you illegally pass a school bus that has a stop arm camera.
Yeah, now that the grace period is over, anybody who's caught could get a ticket and a fine up to $300. Alicia Inns is live with the details of this morning for us. Good morning, Alicia.
Good morning, John. And I think this problem is actually a lot bigger than the district anticipated, because just in the last month, AISD police say about roughly 330 drivers were caught driving past buses that were stopped and had their red lights flashing. Most of those drivers were sent warnings, but now the district is taking this program one step further and will start mailing tickets to those that are caught on camera passing buses while the red lights are flashing. Initially, 30 cameras went online. This was back in January. Now about 100 buses are equipped with the stop arm cameras, and officials believe some of the violations come from confusion over whether a driver knows to stop, particularly if they're driving on the opposite side of the road.
We have individuals passing the buses on the same side of the roadway, and that's not acceptable. Our students' lives are in danger when you do that, and we want to make sure our students arrive to school and arrive home from school every day.
Now, police say about 300 buses will be equipped with these cameras by about spring break time. That's about their entire fleet, their regular route fleet. Now, not only do these cameras capture a picture of the driver's front and back license plates, it also has a navigation system, GPS map on it, so they know exactly where to pinpoint these drivers that are breaking the law here. So again, just keep in mind, if you do pass these buses, you can expect a ticket. Send it back to you guys in the studio.
Okay, Alicia, thank you. What does this mean if you do pass a school bus illegally? What is the process like? Well, we can tell you that the ticket is $300 if you pass one illegally. It takes about 5 days for AISD to get an image of that. Then they will verify if they need to send you a ticket on a case-by-case basis. The company that's behind it is the American Traffic Solutions bus camera program. It installed the cameras at no cost to the district. In return, it gets to keep 60% of the revenue. AISD gets the rest. KXAN investigators are looking into hundreds of complaints to the City of Austin program that's supposed to make sure your kids have a safe route to school. Online right now on KXAN.com. We show the school crossings here in Austin with the most complaints and tell you what those complaints are. Just look under the investigations tab.